So my bed's not made. My hair is a little bit crazy. We're just gonna ignore it. So I wanted to make a skincare dorm routine. This is pretty new to me. The products are the same relatively, but like being in the dorm and doing my skincare routine is different. So I've been figuring out literally yesterday. So I'm gonna do this in a reverse order. So I'm going to come home today, take off my makeup, and do my night skincare routine, and then tomorrow I'll film my morning skincare routine. So I'm doing it a little bit backwards, like night then morning. I feel like that makes sense for like me right now. So I really enjoy my night skincare routine. I usually don't tend to put a whole lot on in the morning if I even remember to. So my skin has been looking good. I mean, obviously we're gonna have some problems like right here, but it's better than it usually is, and I've been very thankful for that. So I wanted to show you guys some new products that I've been using and just what I've been relying on to make me feel good on the outside, and that just I feel like overall has been making my skin look so good. So I wanted to show you guys this new skincare fridge that I got, along with some other stuff that I got for Christmas. So this is like a cool little skincare routine. Maybe to give you guys some ideas, I'll go in depth over the products, and you guys can let me know if you guys have tried these or want to try them, and I'll tell you what I think is the best in the comments below. So let's get right into the video. I will see you guys whenever I'm taking off my makeup. Hi guys, so I'm doing a little what I would do before I start my skincare routine. I take the Garnier Skin Active to wash my makeup off, and I'm being sustainable with these reusable cotton pads. You can just throw them in the washer. So I got the majority off, and now I'm going to wash my face. Usually I do this in the shower, but I'm gonna show you guys it here while I'm here. But I do usually do it in the shower. I know some people say it's better to do it in the sink because the hot water in the shower can hurt your skin. That's just how I've always done it. So we're gonna do it at the sink. I use the Ultra Facial Cleanser from Kiehl's. I absolutely love this, but so far I've liked the way it's made my skin look. And the reason I use micellar water to take my makeup off is because I read that it's better than wipes, because the wipes can damage your skin. As you can see, it's starting to like foam. So yeah, now we're gonna go into the skincare fridge part of this video, and I'm gonna take a shower. Yeah, I'll be in normal clothes next time you see me. Hi friends, so I'm gonna be doing the rest of my skincare routine, which my skin is literally like, I don't know, for those of you that are experiencing like a really cold winter, it just like is so dry that I can hardly smile because it's like pulling my skin. I will give you guys a tour of my skincare fridge and everything inside of it, so I'll insert that here. Hi guys, so I wanted to give you guys a little fridge tour, skincare fridge. So I got this on Amazon. It's flawless. You can pretty much find it pretty easily because of the way it looks. It was like one of the first results, and it's got a magnetic door. So this pocket right here has some face sculpting tools, just like this pink one and the green one, and it also has a face mask in here that I just put in here. And then these are all from my Birchbox, just like little samplers. So this is the Revitalizing Eye Gel. This is the Hydrating Serum, this brightening mask that just sits in there. So I got these all from my Birchbox, so that's what's in the shelf. So this is also stuff I got in the Birchbox, the stuff I'm pulling out right now. Mud Masky Winter Leave-On Mask. And then I have this Radiance Face Oil. Balance Me is the brand. Also got this in the Birchbox. And lastly, I have this little sampler sunscreen, SPF 30. This is my Kiehl's toner. And then these are my two favorite serums in the world. They're also Kiehl's, so the Midnight Recovery Concentrate and the Daily Reviving Concentrate. And then lastly, this also came in a subscription box, and I have not used it yet, but it's the Botanicals serum, and it looks like this. So these are all the things in the bottom part of this. So first, I have all my lip care products in here, so we'll start with the very back. From 3 Ships, this is the exfoliator and vanilla, and then the matching one is the buttercream, and this is a lip mask. But also, I really like this one. This is my favorite lip mask that I own. And lastly, I'm not gonna pull this one out because I'm sure you'll be able to see it, but the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I love her, she's amazing. So that is everything that's in my skincare fridge. There's not a whole lot of room, which isn't what I need. I don't need a whole lot of room. So that's it. That is all for my skincare fridge. We can go ahead and get back to the video. But moving right along into the actual routine, I start every time with the Calendula Herbal Extract Toner, alcohol-free. It's got stuff at the bottom, so you have to shake it. And then I just put that on a cotton pad after I've shaken it. And then I'll put it on my face. It's got a little bit of a smell, but nothing like too crazy, like just really natural smelling. I really don't have much to say about it. After I do this, I looked up a routine because you're supposed to put on your skincare in a certain routine, and I didn't know that. So I wanted to make sure once I got all this stuff that I was putting it on correctly. So they say you're supposed to do cleanser and then toner, then any serums, then moisturizer, and then sunscreen. But there's other stuff you can add too, but that's the stuff that applies to this video. So I put this Midnight Recovery Concentrate on, and you'll see in the morning that I use the Daily Concentrate, which is like the opposite of this one, I think, from this brand. And it just comes with like a little, the top of it's like a squeezer. I find serums to be so cool. And I put it on my cheeks, chin, my nose, literally everywhere. And I rub it in with my fingers. It has that like lavender smell of like sleep time, you know the vibes. So once I have that rubbed in, I take my gua sha, which I have two. This is an eye revitalizing gel. I'm gonna put this under my eyes. You don't need very much of this, but I put way too much on, but I don't think it'll hurt me. Now we're gonna do the face sculpting. So I heard this drains your lymph nodes by doing this, and like whenever I'm doing this at the top, they said it's good for like lymphatic drainage. So I don't know, and my lymph nodes and my neck have been so swollen, so maybe this will help me. But I also need to, I always forget you need to put it on your neck, so I'm gonna actually do that. So there's a map on like many places that show you how you can do this. I am not gonna tell you how, because this is not my expertise and I do not want to give you false information, but this is like kind of what I've seen. So don't hate on me in the comments if I'm doing it wrong. And if you guys are wondering like why I got this skincare fridge, because I kind of thought it was like, really, why do people even like buy that? That's so silly. But since I got like high-end skincare products, I wanted to make sure I was increasing the shelf life of them, so like making sure that they last me a while because they're so expensive. And so that's kind of the main reason I got it. And I got mine for I'm like a squirrel today, I cannot pay attention. I use this water from new water from our water fountain. It's making my water all bubbly. But yeah, that's kind of why I got one, and I've been really liking it so far. It's like making I feel like it's made myself a priority, because of like, this is like a main part of how I keep myself healthy. And this, I don't know how you do that. I think you can do both ways, is what I saw, maybe. But when you just take the long side of it and just like massage that one part of your neck that always hurts, feels so good. Anyways, okay, now we're done gua shaing, and next part I'm gonna move on to my moisturizer. So I use the Ultra Facial Cream from Kiehl's. As you can tell, that is a theme. Kiehl's is the theme of this video. Not sponsored, I wish. This would have been way less expensive, but, and it was a Christmas gift, so thank you, Mom and Dad. But so I just use this, and this is what the inside of it looks like. I'm trying to show you guys everything, and it's really like smooth. Just put that everywhere, and I'm gonna put a little bit extra on because my face is literally so dry. And this has been so nice to like get into skincare during the winter time, because I feel like that's when your skin needs it most. Last part of my skincare routine is lip products. This is my holy grail. It's the Laneige or Laneige, I don't really know, but it's Sleeping Care, this lip mask. It's a sleeping, like, overnight lip mask, but I have never used something so moisturizing and just amazing. I use this pretty much whenever my lips feel so dry that, like, I need a mask type of effect, so pretty much all the time. But the inside, it's a little bit harder to use because of it being cold. But this is what it looks like on the inside. It's expensive, but it has lasted me like 3 or 4 years, like I'd say at least. So probably not good anymore. So yeah, that's what I use for my lips. So that is everything for my skincare routine. Just to like also follow up, I can also use this at night, and it's an overnight hydrating face mask, so I can put this on at night. It says to do it 3 to 5 times a week, I think, and so I can do that. And whenever my skin's feeling like extra dry, like I might use this tonight, and I'll just show you guys what it looks like, because I'm always curious and no one ever like shows what things look like. So this is more like a jelly consistency. You wouldn't have known that unless I showed you. I think I'm gonna be using this tonight, but that is all for my skincare. I wanna go into a little bit of nail care just to like give you guys some more ideas for keeping yourself and your body healthy. And sorry about the state of them right now. I had Talkies today and they might still be stained. Opie Nail MB Nail Strengthener. And this has kind of helped me from years of biting my nails. It has helped my nails get stronger, and it makes me want to bite them less because I have weird tendencies to like whenever it starts to get flaky, like whenever you can tell that there's a piece that needs to peel, I cannot help myself, like I have to bite it off. And if my nails are uneven, I have to bite them off. Like I'm very picky about the way my nails look, but then I like bite them off and then they look horrible, so it honestly makes no sense. And tonight I'm actually going to use one of these two things. So there's a vitamin E Cuticle Oil, and so they say you can use this before you do a manicure. And I also got this from Ulta. All those things I got are from Ulta. And this just goes on your nails. It makes them stronger. I love serums and droppers, and you hardly need any at all. And I just coat my nails, my nail beds with it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know we still have the morning part left. I will see you guys tomorrow morning whenever I decide to do my morning skincare routine. And I do a lot less, so this video will be over pretty soon after, because I don't usually typically tend to do anything too extra. See you in the morning. Good morning, everyone. Now we're moving on to the morning skincare. Everything's, oh my gosh. Are we stable this morning? Gosh, what a dumpster fire. We're just gonna make it work. So I'm gonna put my contacts in. I wanted to wear this to be fun. We're gonna wear this cute little headband this morning. The first thing that I'm gonna take out of the skincare fridge, Daily Reviving Concentrates. And I'm not gonna face sculpt this morning because I feel like that's just a nightly thing. I'm feeling good this morning. I'm taking a day of rest because school is starting soon and I need a day of rest. But I have to work out today. That's the only thing I'm not resting in. But I like to work out because it makes me feel good. So it's not like I'm doing it, like it's not like I dislike it that bad. I'm going to put on my Ultra Facial Cream. Oh, I'm famous, guys. I just wanted to tell you guys this while I'm doing this, is I made an Instagram account for my YouTube, and I was using like my personal account that I've had since like junior high, and I was like, I don't like the way my feed looks. I don't like anything about it really, and I would love for you guys to follow it. I'll put it right here, and it's just gonna be like more personalized, like more on-campus stuff that like I would annoy my like people that know me with, but like I feel like subscribers would want to know stuff like this. And I feel like I was holding back on like what I am working on and like what I'm doing, so I decided to make this to like give you guys more content outside of YouTube, because I feel like I wasn't doing that well. Next I'm going in with the little sunscreen sampler. I'm planning to not even go outside today, but I feel like it's good to plan it. So I'm gonna put some sunscreen on. In a skincare routine, they say to put your sunscreen on after your moisturizer. So that's what I'm doing. So that is all. I'm going to put on my lip sleeping mask. Okay, so that is everything for my skincare routine. I look crazy, but I just wanted to say thank you guys for sticking along. I know literally nobody asked for this video, but I wanted to show you guys anyway because I feel like it was a super good, interesting video, especially since I have all new skincare products and I wanted to inspire you guys. If you guys are looking for new skincare products, I highly recommend everything I used in this video. And especially the nail care stuff, I love it. It's like already grown my nails so much, I feel like. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys so much and I can't wait to make better content for you guys in 2022. I'm trying to self-grow. I'm trying to give you guys the best content I can. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys super soon and I hope you guys have a great week. Bye!